Hi friends, today we are going to learn about cover crops at Bhumi. I want to introduce you to Vamshi, who is our agronomist. Hi Vamshi.
Hi.
Vamshi has been working with me in growing cover crops at Bhumi. Today we want to cover some detail about cover crops. Cover crops are not harvested and sent to customers. They are grown to improve the fertility of the soil. The detail of how exactly it improves fertility of the soil is a very long video. So right now we'll give you just the summary. Basically, cover crops generate green biomass, and the biomass is full of nutrients. So we grow the cover crop for many days, anywhere from 40 to 70 days, and then simply plow the cover crop into the soil so that all the nutrition in the body of the cover crop goes back to the soil, and that will feed the next cash crop that is planted after this. So that's the whole idea. And cover crops have many benefits. Not everything we can cover today, but we will ask Vamshi and he will be able to answer many of the questions. Hi Vamshi, we want to know how many different species of cover crops are here.
Here around there are 18 species of plant species.
Okay.
With different groups. If you take example, this is comes under cereal groups.
Okay, what is the name of this?
This is bajra and ragi. There is a mix of bajra, ragi and sorghum. Then we have cover crop called Diancha. Then we have sun hemp.
That's a sun hemp. Okay.
Cool. Then we have some legume crops like soybean, cowpea, green gram, black crop. These are all like pulses crops.
Okay.
Then we have oil seeds like fennel. We have fennel here.
Vamshi, fennel could be aromatic, maybe not oil seeds. So oil seeds, can we look for mustard?
Mustard and castor we have.
Mustard, can you show the fennel? Okay, fennel is right here.
Then we have mustard here.
Okay, mustard is going to seed already, looks like. Yeah, nice flowers. And do you see castor bean?
Here.
Oh, there is the castor bean. Cool. So, Vamshi, can we cover some other crop that you not already covered? For example, what is this thing that is growing here that has gone to seed?
Amaranthus.
So, amaranthus is part of your cover crop mix or is just a weed? It's a weed.
Weed, sir.
Okay, so can we say, Vamshi, that cover crops can also help reduce weeds?
Yes, sir.
Basically, cover crops outcompete weeds and make them, reduce them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what else can you say about these plants, Vamshi? Why are we doing all this? Why take the effort of, plowing the soil and plant these seeds? Can you tell?
Actually, cover crops will help in improving the soil fertility.
Okay.
Along with that, it also improve the whatever next crop will grow. It will improve the immunity of that crop, so that the pest and disease load will be reduced in the upcoming crops which we grow. It may be anyway.
Got it. And can cover crop remove any disease from the soil?
Yeah, it will reduce the soil-borne pathogen which will be there in the soil. It reduce that, and also it also suppress any insects which are reside in the soil.
Got it.
Insect pupation all will get reduced.
Vamshi, we've been having a lot of issues with the ants in the soil. Since we are an organic farm, we cannot spray chemicals to get rid of the ants. So do you believe planting cover crops at this density, as you can see, it's more than 7 feet tall.
Yes, sir.
The very high density, you cannot even walk through this. Can you say that these cover crops can help us fight the ants that are hurting our crops?
Surely, sir. Because there are different plant species. Might be some compound which is available in that plant might affect the habitat of the ants.
So the ants will naturally go to some other location,
might be,
which will help us get a better soil.
Yes, sir.
So Vamshi, by growing cover crops, can we reduce any imported fertilizers in organic farming?
Surely, sir.
Yeah.
Because the nutrient which present in the soil, they uptake through roots, and now if you can see the flowers are forming. In that nutrients will be there. When you incorporate this into the soil, that balanced nutrition will come to the upcoming crops which we grow, like cash crop.
Got it. Approximately at what time do you want to plow this entire crop into the soil, Vamshi?
So when they start flowering, or when they're in bud stage, we have to incorporate into soil. I think this is the right time to do like pulverizing into the soil.
Why do you think it's the right time?
Because you can see the already flowers have started forming in the crop.
Okay, so when flowers are there already in the crop, does it mean that maximum nutrition, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, all that is present maximum in the body of the plant? Is that what you mean?
No sir, most of them will be in the flower buds.
Okay.
The nutrition will be in flower buds.
Mhm.
So we can say that the most nutrients are present in the plant at this stage.
Okay,
So that we can do at the, I feel that is the right stage to
got
incorporate
it,
in soil.
got it. So, what else would you like to say about this in terms of input cost reduction?
Yeah, because as I said already, that nutrition will be in the plant which we are going to incorporate into soil, so that the nutrient in the soil will be improved, so that we can reduce the nutrient of the crops further. Like next crop, if we
Nutrient need of the crop.
crop, yes,
For example, we can reduce cow dung use, we can reduce
cow dung,
any other inputs
yes.
we can reduce.
Yes.
So, essentially, we can be more sustainable.
Yes sir,
Can we say that?
yes sir, surely.
Thank you, Vamsi, for
Thank
your inputs. Truly enjoyed learning something here. Bye.